Hi kids! Today we're learning about snow and ice vehicles, the cool machines that move on snowy roads, icy lakes, and frozen mountains.
Snowmobile.
Yay!
A snowmobile moves fast on snow with skis and tracks. Would you like to ride one across white snow?
Dog sled.
Yay!
A dog sled is pulled by strong dogs in the snow. Would you like to meet huskies pulling a sled?
Ice resurfacer.
Yay!
This machine smooths ice on skating rinks. Would you like to see shiny ice after it works?
Snowcat.
Yay!
A snowcat clears paths and prepares ski slopes. Would you like to ride on snowy mountains?
Snow groomer.
Yay!
This machine flattens snow for skiing. Would you like to ski on fresh, smooth snow?
Ski lift chair.
Yay!
A ski lift carries skiers up snowy hills. Would you like to dangle your legs in the air?
Cable car.
Yay!
A cable car rides high above snowy mountains. Would you like to see snowy trees below?
Funicular train.
Yay!
This train climbs steep, snowy hills. Would you like to ride one up a mountain?
Ski-doo.
Yay!
A skidoo is a brand of fast snowmobile. Would you like to zoom through snowy forests?
Ice truck.
Yay!
An ice truck carries ice blocks to stores. Would you like to see sparkling ice inside?
Snowplow.
Yay!
A snowplow pushes snow off roads. Would you like to see it making clear paths?
Ice fishing vehicle.
Yay!
This small vehicle takes people onto frozen lakes. Would you like to fish on ice?
Snowbike.
Yay!
A snow bike is a motorbike with a ski and track. Would you like to race one on snow?
Polar exploration vehicle.
Yay!
This giant vehicle carries explorers in the Arctic. Would you like to travel where polar bears live?
Snow hovercraft.
Yay!
A hovercraft floats over snow and ice. Would you like to glide smoothly across?
Arctic truck.
Yay!
An Arctic truck drives across icy lands. Would you like to ride one in the cold?
Snow tractor.
Yay!
This tractor works in snowy fields. Would you like to see it pulling a plow?
Ice sledge.
Yay!
An ice sledge is a small sled used on frozen lakes. Would you like to slide on one?
Igloo supply sled.
Yay!
This sled carries supplies to snowy igloos. Would you like to deliver food in snow?
Snow rescue vehicle.
Yay!
This vehicle saves people stuck in snow. Would you like to rescue someone in a blizzard?
Yay!
Great job, little explorers! Today you learned about 20 snow and ice vehicles that help people travel, play, and stay safe in winter. Next time you see snow, imagine riding these cool machines.